Are you tired of the constant struggle with pet hair, dust, and debris that seems to never end? Enter the Shark Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum, a game changer in the world of home cleaning. This vacuum combines powerful suction, cordless convenience, and thoughtful features to create a cleaning experience like no other. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. The Shark Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum is not just a vacuum but a cleaning revolution. Hypervelocity suction, conquering everyday messes. The Shark boasts hypervelocity suction, providing unparalleled cleaning performance for both everyday messes and high-traffic areas. No more leaving dirt behind. This vacuum is designed to tackle every particle with precision, leaving your floors spotless. Up to 40 minutes of runtime, cleaning without interruption. Say goodbye to the hassle of frequent recharging. With up to 40 minutes of runtime at hand vac in standard mode without accessories, this vacuum ensures that you can clean multiple rooms or even your entire home without interruptions. Efficiency meets convenience. Low-profile design, reaching every nook and cranny, navigating under furniture, and reaching those hidden corners is no longer a challenge. The low-profile design of the Shark allows it to effortlessly glide under your furniture, ensuring a thorough cleaning in every part of your home. Removable hand vac, lightweight above-floor cleaning. Transforming into a handheld vacuum, the Shark becomes your go-to solution for lightweight above-floor cleaning. From ceilings to shelves, this versatile feature ensures no space is left untouched. XL Dust Cup, Clean Touch Dirt Ejector. The XL Dust Cup not only means less frequent emptying, but also features CleanTouch technology for hands-off debris disposal. No more dealing with a messy cleanup. The Shark makes maintaining your vacuum a breeze. LED headlights illuminate hidden debris. Discover hidden debris with ease. The Shark is equipped with LED headlights that illuminate the darkest corners of your home, ensuring that no particle goes unnoticed. Cleaning becomes not just efficient but thorough. What's included? Your cleaning arsenal. With the Shark Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum, you receive not just a vacuum but a complete cleaning arsenal. The package includes the Shark Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum and a handy crevice tool, catering to your various cleaning needs. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.